Welcome back to the Wellness Hub, your space for natural living and holistic health. Today, we are diving into the amazing world of flaxseed seeds, tiny but incredible mighty superfoods, packed with benefits you don't want to miss. Flax seeds are tiny seeds from the flax plant, one of the oldest cultivated crops in the world. They're rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and powerful antioxidants. Flaxseed seeds are natural powerhouse for wellness. Let's go through the top health benefits of flaxseed seeds. Number 1, boost heart health. Flax seeds are high in ALA, a type of omega-3 that supports heart health by reducing inflammation and providing cholesterol levels. Number 2, supports digestive health. They are packed with soluble and insoluble fiber. Flax seeds promote smooth digestion and can help prevent constipation. Number 3, they're rich in antioxidants. Lignans in flax seeds are powerful antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress and may reduce cancer risk. Number 4, flax seeds are known to help balance estrogen levels, especially beneficial for women during hormonal changes. And number 5, the combination of fiber and healthy fats keeps you fuller for long, making them great for health weight management. Easy ways to enjoy flax seeds in your diet. You can add a tablespoon of grounded flaxseed into your morning smoothies or mix in oatmeal porridge or yogurt. 3, sprinkle over salads or roasted vegetables. 4, you can bake in muffins, bread, or healthy snacks. And finally, you can stir into soups or sauces for extra nutrition. Always use grounded flaxseed. Your body can absorb the nutrients better than from the whole seeds. Quick tips for best results. Store grounded flaxseed in an airtight container in the fridge to keep them fresh. Number 2, start small, about 1 tablespoon a day, and increase as your body adjusts. And number 3, drink plenty of water when adding more fiber to your diet. Flax seeds may be tiny, but their healthy benefits are mighty. Ready to have this superfood in your daily routine? Your body will thank you naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share with a friend who loves natural wellness. Drop a comment below. Have you tried flax seeds before? We would love to hear how you use them.